Live with Robin Uthappa and Michael Clark, who is in fact, in the stadium there in Lucknow. So first, Michael, I'm going to come to you because all the fans, I'm sure you've seen a lot of yellow shirts with number 7 on the back. They want to see some Mahi magic, and this CSK team needs some magic.
Yeah, nice and loud once again already. Plenty of people are here, and yes, that MS Dhoni shirt.
Let's just play to the best of our ability and try and play to our potential. If we can play to our potential, we'll do well. And I think that's what he'd be sharing with this side. Not more than that. He'll have to run a lot of things tactically on the field.
10 साल अभी मुंबई इंडियंस का चढ़ा हुआ 10 साल में वहाँ खेला 10 साल में वहाँ खेला हूँ और क्योंकि 10 साल के बाद 2 साल खेला था वहाँ पे वो उन दिनों येलो था बट हाँ येलो लेकिन इस साल ना बढ़िया खेल नहीं रहे की बात है। देखिए अगर इस टीम को आगे बढ़ना है तो वो अगर नंबर 4-5 पे भी आएंगे तो कोई उनको ये नहीं कहेगा कि आप ऊपर आके अच्छे तरीके से खेली नहीं है जितनी अच्छी ये टीम है।
जी हम यही पूछना चाहते हैं क्योंकि आप दोनों चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स के हिस्सा बने, ट्रॉफी भी जीते हैं, इतने सारे अनुभवी खिलाड़ी, धोनी खुद के है, देयर इज रविंद्र जडेजा एज वेल, देयर इज रविचंद्रन अश्विन, राहुल त्रिपाठी भी अपना 100वां IPL मैच खेलेंगे। अगर आप धोनी है इस वक्त लखनऊ के खिलाफ, आप अनुभवी खिलाड़ी से आपकी मांग क्या है?
कि अपने पोटेंशियल तक खेलो बस। मेरे हिसाब से अगर वो यहाँ से जीत सकते हैं, अगर ये सवाल पूछेंगे कोई तो मैं बताऊंगा स्लिम से नन चांसेस हैं अभी। ऐसे नहीं कि मुमकिन नहीं है, नामुमकिन कुछ भी नहीं है, पर स्लिम से नन चांसेस हैं। पर अगर आप जीतने की इंटेंट रखते हो तो धोनी को ऊपर बैटिंग करना पड़ेगा, जडेजा को थोड़ा ऊपर बैटिंग करना पड़ेगा। 4, 5, 6 पे आपको सबसे अच्छा बेस्ट बैटर्स आपको लाना पड़ेगा अपने आप को। आप नंबर 6, नंबर 7, नंबर 8, नंबर 9 पे आप मैच में जब चेस कर रहे होते हैं तो बहुत सारे रन होते हैं। वो मतलब
To be important. Again, I think the power play is the key. I feel like we say it every game, but when the pitch isn't, when you get a wicket like Hyderabad where it's got that sheen across it and it's an absolute batting paradise, it's consistent the whole way through. I really think this surface is going to be tougher to bat through the middle overs, so I think that's going to be defining.
Units. So that's why that battle becomes so important as well between Nicky P and Noor Ahmed as well. In fact, it's our key battle for the day. Chennai Super Kings की टीम के पास 32 छक्के हैं। Nicholas Pooran has 31 himself this season. Robin, वो चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स की गेंदबाज बॉलिंग लाइनअप देख के क्या सोचेंगे आज?
खलील अहमद को छोड़ के और नूर अहमद, ये दोनों गेंदबाज को छोड़ के बाकी सारे गेंदबाज थोड़ा अंडर प्रेशर लग रहे हैं। पिछले मैच में अंशुल कंबोज भी खेले 4 ओवर्स। अश्विन का उतना लय अच्छा नहीं है इस साल, तो बॉलिंग में भी थोड़ा LSG थोड़ा प्रेशर डालेंगे CSK पे।
भाजी नूर पे अगर नजर डालते हैं एज वेल एज अश्विन, एक्चुअली वो दोनों ने पूरन को आउट भी करवाया, रन रेट जो है कम भी करवाया है, लेकिन इन परिस्थितियों में गेंदबाजी कैसे करेंगे पूरन के खिलाफ?
देखिए आउट ही करना है, देखना पड़ेगा और आपके बेस्ट विकल्प वही है, नूर है और अश्विन है जो बड़ा शॉट मारने का वो प्रयास तो करेंगे, वो ज्यादा देर रुकेंगे नहीं। तो आप कोशिश वो करिए कि उनकी रेंज से दूर रहिए। उनकी रेंज जो है वो सामने अच्छा खेलते हैं, मिड विकेट तो बहुत ही जबरदस्त मारते हैं। कोशिश बोल्ड या LBW, क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं कि पूरन 32 छक्के मार चुका है तो 32 और मार ही देगा ये, क्योंकि जो लग चुके हैं वो बात हो चुकी है। आगे कैसे वो खेलेंगे वो प्रयास करेगा कि उसके बहुत कुछ, तो फिर थोड़ी दिलेरी दिखानी पड़ेगी गेंदबाजों को।
नंबर 3 पे बल्लेबाजी के लिए आएंगे निकोलस पूरन। स्ट्राइक रेट 200 से ज्यादा है इस सीजन, तो हमारे पास एक स्पेशल गेम प्लान है। हाउ डू ऑन द वे दैट ऋषभ पंत रियली प्लेड इन टर्म्स ऑफ द बिग हिट्स कमिंग ऑन, इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर हिम टू गेट रन्स, इज इट इनफ?
About enough, but the due factor and how CSK start in those first 6 overs are going to be crucial if they're going to chase the score down on that.
Absolutely, we'll discuss that. Noor Ahmed had 10 dot balls to Rishabh Pant as well. But the man behind the stumps, Michael Clark, MSD, that's 200 now. First to...
There's certainly some juice, so that'll certainly favour CSK as well.
That's exactly what I wanted to get from you, Michael Clark. No wonder you won a World Cup as a captain. You anticipate exactly what the broadcaster is going to ask you. Let me quickly remind you of what's up tomorrow as well. For Shreyas Iyer, it's got to be a chase down. It's in their control, even towards the middle, where the run rate got a little bit high. It was the stage was set. I mean, you can't write a better script than MS Dhoni finishing off things. It's what we've been following. Required. I'll show you the win probability just before MS Dhoni walked out. You've lost a wicket in the middle. It looks like Lucknow Super Giants have won this.
Right. You take a chance, it comes off, happy days, and that's what it was. And he knew that if, like, Like he knew the moment he hit
and have a little something to prove. Whether his bat does the talking or he actually does the talking, it's to be seen.
Instead of the countdown tomorrow, they should play this music. Pam, pam, pam. Because I think that's what's going to be tomorrow. It's going to be a humdinger of a game. I'm looking forward to it. I think emotions will run pleasantly but it'll run high, but it'll run with a lot of dignity, I think.
Bobby has said, Michael, when you look at both these units, they're high-octane players in both sides.
Oh, look, I think you've got two good teams. I think KKR are just starting to come back into the form that we expect. I think they're going to be tough to beat now. I feel like they're one of the teams that...
It's an IPL history pulled off by the Punjab Kings. Those we thought that might be, what we saw the other night with Sunrisers. That did happen. So these are two units that are more than capable about that. We've been talking about 250 totals for a while now. With the batting might of Punjab Kings, you're imagining going a little further. Will we get one of those games?
It's Chandigarh, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's in Mohali.
Yeah.
Not Mohali, New Chandigarh.
New Chandigarh.
So you will see, I think, a high-scoring game. But I think for Punjab and Shreyas Iyer's sake, you want to be chasing tomorrow because he's been on the receiving end of big scores being chased against his side when he's leading it.
That's a good way. We will join you at 6:30 tomorrow. A huge thank you to Michael Clarke and Robin Uthappa for joining us today as well. We had the match up in Lucknow, but Chennai Super Kings came away with a victory.